Hello and welcome back to 2P's Unboxing. I am Jean.
I'm Abby.
Jennifer. And today we have an assortment of Hatchimals here.
Yep, we had just a few oddballs left laying around.
This is season 1, and these are both from season 2.
Yep, season 1, season 2. This one here, you can get a golden Hatchimal, which we have not got a golden Hatchimal yet.
Yep. And this one's Glittering Garden and Citrus Coast.
Citrus Coast. So, Abby, do you want to start? You're going to go with that one? I don't know if you need a scissors to get into it.
I do, because I can never get into packages.
Into the packaging. She's still going to struggle with it.
Not struggling, okay? There we go.
Okay.
You guys get to see me struggle.
I guess. So hers is a blue nest with the sparkles. And I'll show the nest closer up when we get to it. And that one we don't need.
So this is, I believe, the ones that you can get from the Citrus Coast.
Okay, go ahead and take your eggs out.
Okay.
So there's 6 possible ones.
Yep, and this is the
They are so cold.
very pretty, the blue.
It doesn't have the names for them, so I don't know the names offhand.
See the glitter. All right. Go ahead, open them up. Yep. We should have had you see if you can change the heart color, because we never can.
I'm trying.
Jennifer
now.
gets it changed a little bit sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get it to change color.
Because you don't have a warm heart.
Yeah, no warm heart here.
No.
No love for you guys.
She's sure.
Can you get it? You want me to start it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! And she's the 12-year-old that should have the most muscles. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, let's put this over so you can
Oh, thank you.
closer
I
to
get a
you.
garbage can now.
You
Sweet.
know.
There goes my egg. I will fix my egg, okay?
Okay.
I'll show that off.
So she's got a green little bug.
Yep, green little bug with the silver wings, so that would be a common, right?
Yep, they're all gonna have the silver rings in this one.
Oh, gotta get that focus again. He's winking at you. He or she is weak. He or she is winking. She's cute. The lime green and with the pink. Put that in there.
Found a soft spot. Yay, I found a soft spot.
Yeah, I just kind of take it like.
Yeah, well, I can't do your magical
Kind of gotta
tricks.
go like between them.
I can't do your magical tricks.
They're not easy to open.
No, they really ain't.
And it seems like the first ones we got a long time ago didn't seem to be quite as hard to open. And I don't know if they changed the egg or at all, or.
I was just moving it a little bit because
I know, she's pushing everything. Well, she'll get it out of there.
I can't really
Finally!
get so much with.
Maybe not. Oh,
So another
I
green
don't
one.
think we. I don't know if I've seen one like that.
That one's more mint green,
Yep.
and the other one's more
pink.
lime.
It's cute. Yep. So it's kind of like.
It's a little showing up duller on the camera.
Yeah, they
but
always do. It looks like a pale blue, but it's actually a mint green, a little darker mint green.
Yeah.
It's not very good. I don't know why that just shows that way, but. Okay, Jennifer, why don't you go ahead and go next?
All right, I'll go for this middle one.
She's
We're
going
still
for that because she's looking for the golden goose
trying
that
to,
laid
yeah.
the golden egg.
get that gold one.
Yeah, we're gonna need that for again.
So blue, and let me see if there's anything else in here. Oh, just this one.
Yeah, just
but
the same when it tells about the.
yeah.
This one's in like a little clamshell.
So blue specks
With
on
the
it.
blue specks on
Dark
that one.
blue.
Which I could remember what the colors were for. Oh, here we can shut your little egg and shut them in
And
there.
we got.
It's a pretty blue. It's like kind of a brighter
So we've
blue.
gotten this guy before. I don't know if we got him in that color, but
Yeah.
he's yellow.
He's not. Well, that's kind of golden. It's yellow.
Almost,
It's
yep.
kind of golden.
Golden.
It's not gold.
Little crab there.
Okay. We'll put you up there by yourself since you got, the pink one for me. And this was the Glittering Garden.
Yep. And that one's from season 1. The others were all from season 2.
I'm going backwards. Yeah, we had found all these little oddballs everywhere, so we might as well just get them open.
And these are the possible ones from the
Show
glittering
that way.
garden.
Pop him.
There, focuses.
And then these eggs are pretty.
It's
Look at,
purple.
and you can see all
Yep,
the
and
glitter.
it's glittered on it.
All the glitter
I like
on these
glitter.
ones.
I like purple.
Purple with all the glitter.
The
And
glitter
it's
is
they're
red.
both red. It looks like the red polka dots. A lot of glitter.
The
All right,
the
it goes
glitter is
out.
killing me.
Get it where I can get it open. There we go. Whew.
Oh, I heard that.
Oh,
Aren't
you got
you we
the
got another
pink
crab.
version.
So, like, and these ones have the sparkles throughout.
Yep.
Yeah, there was a good shot of them. So we got sparkles, and it's kind of that translucent color, that pink. Cute. We'll put you up here with your clam buddy. Yeah.
Crab, not clam.
It's a good crab. Put you guys up here too, so everybody can see.
Yay!
Close that up. All right, I have one more, everyone. I'm not sure what I want. I'm looking for anyways anymore. I gotta look and see what we all
We
have.
too many.
You know.
There is one that I don't think we got yet, which is this one right here.
Okay, so he's kind of green and purple. So
We'll see if we get him. I don't think we've gotten him before.
Got.
Good.
Oh, that is, I think, the one that...
He looks like a seal. Seal?
Seal or a sloth?
What do you think?
Something, yeah.
Well, he's got the curly tail, so maybe, I don't know. He's cute though. So he's got the pink,
The purple
face,
kind of.
pinkish purple, and then of course the translucent green with all the glitter on the back.
I like the coloring on that.
So face is more of a solid color, where the rest is all translucent. Let's put you up here. It's past Abby's bedtime, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Right?
All right, do you have a favorite?
No.
No.
She does.
I like the green one.
I thought hard.
The little green bug.
I'll go with this
The
guy.
new one.
Since
Go
this
with the
one-
new one. Well, we got those oddballs taken care of, so... But I'm
Yes.
sure, guys, there will be more Hatchimals in the future.
Yep.
In
And-
future.
That, and of course, we got to go for more of my,
Fingerlings. And
That's
stuff.
it. See if you were
couldn't-
going to guess on my fingerlings,
Yep, because you know.
All right, guys, if you have any suggestions you want to see us open, you can always leave a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. And we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye now.
Bye.